Hey, happy Monday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So we have an awesome addition today to the Ads Manager. Now, if you didn't know what the Ads Manager is, we have a full ads platform now where you can actually create and run ads all within High Level. So if you haven't checked it out, definitely go to help.gohighlevel.com and search Ads Manager. But today we're making it better. So we've got the ability now to create audiences within the Ads Manager itself. So obviously, audiences are pretty useful because you want to target certain people, etc. So users now have the ability to create a custom audience from the retargeting dropdown of the intended audience action. Users also have the ability to create a lookalike audience from the lookalike audience dropdown. So the idea here is inside Ads Manager, you just hit create audience. You'll get a pop-up like this, and you can fill that out. You can see right here that it's actually also, if within the search, it'll pop up. And then here's an example actually within the ad creation flow itself. You can see down here, you now have the intended audience optional that is available. And before we had, obviously, we had the targeted interests, but now we have the lookalike and the retargeting audiences directly. And here's a create a lead form from a custom audience or with a custom audience. So when you're going in, you're creating your lead form. You can actually specify in this particular instance the audience that we're targeting, all that awesome stuff. So now, how does this work? Obviously, you can see right here, kind of going over the same thing, how to actually get in there and create it. That's how you do a custom audience. You can pause the video, and also here's how you do a lookalike audience. Now, why does this matter? Obviously enhance user journey. So the capability to create a new custom or lookalike audience was due for a while, but basically this improves the experience. So if you never worked with audiences, think about it as the idea of you can either target a very specific group of users, or you can say, hey, I want to create a whole list of people to target based on these existing users. So a lookalike audience is, hey, create it from this existing list. An actual retargeting is, hey, this very specific list. So if you want to take a look at that, you can just Google like Facebook custom audience or Facebook lookalike audience. It'll walk you through that in much better detail. A couple important notes. During the processing of creating a lookalike audience, the option to add geographic location is present to look for audiences in the selected country. Only countries that are supported at this point will show up. Once a lookalike audience is successfully created, it'll be shown as part of the lookalike audience dropdown. Can be used for creating campaigns. Also, once a custom audience is successfully created, it will be shown as part of the retargeting audience dropdown as well. So what's next? We're also going to add the addition of an audiences tab under the Ad Manager settings to give users an option to create, manage, and edit both the custom and lookalike audiences. Also, in addition to the custom audience source, create a customer list custom audience will soon be coming, and that's where you can actually import in a customer list and use it to create a custom audience around it. So we have a bunch of that stuff coming. Obviously, there is an awesome support document here. There's actually two of them. So go to help.gohighlevel.com and search create a custom audience in Ad Manager, and you'll find this one. And then finally, there's also, you could just search create a lookalike audience, and you'll also find this one. It'll go through all the details that I just went over and more. But again, custom audiences are awesome when you're trying to target your ads very specifically to either an exact list of people or to be able to actually find other people that look like an existing audience that you're already working with. That really allows you to sort of span out, target more people. But instead of having to do so super broadly, you can actually use the Facebook algorithm and in the future the Google algorithm and so forth to sort of target people that look like the people that are in your audience and help you find people without having to spend a lot of ad dollars on people that don't make sense for your product or your service. So anyways, on that note, I hope you're having an awesome Monday, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.